Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV and this is our January giveaway. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have another good giveaway for the month of January. For this month, we're giving away a Fire Maple Star X3 cooking system. I will say that for me personally, this is probably one of my favorite accessories to have for any outdoor activity, whether it's camping, hunting, UTV riding, or maybe on an adventure ride. These things are awesome to have. They're small, they're lightweight, they pack up easily. And what's so great about these is that they will give you up to 27 ounces of boiling water in just a couple of minutes. So awesome to have for any outdoor activity, especially for your nature walks. And what we're also going to include is this titanium spork. How neat is that? Now to enter to win, it is very simple. All you need to do is be subscribed to us on YouTube and then comment below and tell us where is the first place that you would take your Fire Maple cooking system. Now a couple things you do want to keep in mind, you got to be 18 years or older, and this contest will run from January 12th through the 19th. And after the 19th, make sure you check back every day because we will select our lucky winner. Now as always, from all of us here at Rocky Mountain, we want to give a huge shout out and thank you to everyone out there for supporting us. I am Chase and we wish you luck.